Unit 4. Reproduction and Species Continuity. Lesson 2. Sexual and Asexual Reproduction. Reproduction process. Reproduction process is a biological process where the living organism produces new individuals of the same kind and thus ensuring its continuity. Types of reproduction. We have two types of reproduction. The first one is asexual reproduction. The second type is sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, it is a process by which living organisms produce new individuals with genetic traits identical to those of their parents. Give reason 4. Asexual reproduction needs no special systems and structures to occur. This is because it takes place by mitosis division only. We will start with a one cell and we will end with two cells without any need for special organs for reproduction. Types of asexual reproduction. The first one is binary fission. The second one is budding. The third one is regeneration. The fourth one is spore propagation. The final one is vegetative reproduction. We will start with binary fission. It occurs in unicellular living organisms, such as unicellular protozoans, such as amoeba, paramecium, and euglena. Also, it occurs in simple algae and bacteria. As you can see, this is the video for some unicellular protozoans under microscope. They use binary fission for reproduction by the help of mitosis, cell division. How does the reproduction by binary fission occurs? As you can see, the nucleus divides by mitosis division, and the cell splits into two cells. Each cell grows and becomes a new individual. Examples. This is the binary fission of bacteria. As you can see, we started by only a single cell of bacteria and we reached this huge number of bacterial cells. These are two paramecium cells which are in their way to divide into two individual cells. As you can see, the division is finally occurred and we have new two cells of paramecium. Budding. It is asexual reproduction, produces new individuals by formation of buds in the parent cell. It occurs in unicellular organisms such as yeast, fungus. Also, it occurs in multicellular organisms such as hydra and sponges. How does the reproduction by budding occur in yeast fungus? As you can see, this is a yeast fungus. A bud emerges as a lateral bulge in the cell. The cell nucleus divides mitotically into two nuclei, one in the mother cell and the other moves to the bud. This is the nucleus, which will be divided mitotically. One will remain in the mother cell and the other will migrate toward the bud. The bud grows gradually. Then it separates from it. If the buds remain connected to the parent cell, a colony is formed. But if the bud is separated, we have a new cell. As you can see, this is a real image for the formation of a bud from the yeast fungus to form a new yeast fungus cell. This occurred through about 4 hours. Also, this is the reproduction of hydra by budding. As you can see, we have a small bud which is emerged from the Hydra mother cell, which will grow to another Hydra. Regeneration. Regeneration is the ability of animals to compensate their missing parts. How starfish can reproduce. Starfish arm could be regenerated and give out a complete animal if they contain a part of the central disc. This part is called the central disc of the animal. Hydra can do the same as starfish. If some parts are missing from Hydra living organism, they can grow again to form a complete part to compensate the missing